Cats are known for their wide range of vocalizations, from the classic meow to deep purring, even occasional growls. But one of the most intriguing and mysterious sounds they make is the chirping or chattering noise, often heard when a cat is staring at birds through a window or watching a small insect move across the floor. This unusual vocalization has fascinated cat owners for generations, and scientists and feline behaviorists have spent years trying to unravel the reason behind it. One of the most commonly accepted theories is that this sound is an expression of pure excitement and frustration. When a cat sees potential prey, such as a bird fluttering outside the window or a squirrel darting up a tree, it experiences a sudden surge of adrenaline. Instinctively, it wants to chase and catch the target, but when a barrier like a window prevents it from acting on this instinct, the result can be an excited, chirping sound. This could be compared to a human seeing a delicious cake behind a glass display but being unable to eat it. Sometimes, frustration comes out as an audible reaction. The chattering noise may simply be a way for the cat to release its pent-up energy. Another fascinating theory suggests that this behavior mimics the sounds of prey. Some studies have observed that cats might use this chattering as a way to lure birds into a false sense of security. In 2009, researchers studying wild tamarin monkeys in the Amazon rainforest recorded an ocelot making a noise that closely resembled the calls of its prey. This led to speculation that cats, both wild and domestic, might use similar vocal mimicry as a hunting strategy. While domestic cats don't seem to actually trick birds into flying toward them, it's possible that this behavior is a deeply ingrained instinct from their wild ancestors. There's also an interesting anatomical factor at play. The rapid jaw movements that accompany a cat's chattering sound are remarkably similar to the biting motion cats use when they kill their prey. This has led some behaviorists to believe that chirping is actually a kind of involuntary muscle memory. When a cat sees something it desperately wants to hunt, its body instinctively begins preparing for the kill. Since it can't act on this impulse due to the barrier between itself and the prey, the energy is instead released through this odd vocalization and rapid jaw movement. Essentially, the cat is practicing its killing technique in a moment of heightened instinct, beyond scientific theories. There is also something amusingly relatable about the sound. Many cat owners describe their pets' chattering as a sign of deep concentration. It's almost as if the cat is talking to itself, muttering in frustration, or even expressing a kind of longing for the prey it wishes it could hunt. Some cats will even add tiny trills or exaggerated tail flicks to their chattering display, further reinforcing the idea that this is an emotional reaction, rather than a purely instinctual behavior. Interestingly, not all cats exhibit this behavior. Some will chirp regularly at birds, squirrels, or even small moving objects like laser pointers, while others never do it at all. This variation might be due to personality differences or past experiences. Cats with stronger hunting instincts might be more prone to chattering, while others, especially those raised in environments without much exposure to live prey, may not develop this habit. Despite the mystery surrounding the behavior, one thing is certain: hearing a cat make this bizarre noise is always an entertaining experience. Many cat owners have shared recordings of their pets chirping at birds on social media, and the phenomenon has become one of the most beloved quirks of feline behavior. It adds to the long list of reasons why cats continue to fascinate and surprise us, even after thousands of years of domestication. In the end, whether it's a sign of excitement, frustration, mimicry, or instinctual practice, the chattering noise remains one of the most delightful mysteries of the feline world. It's yet another reminder of just how deeply connected domestic cats are to their wild ancestors and how much of their behavior is still rooted in their natural hunting instincts. So, the next time you hear your cat making that strange little noise while staring out the window, you can appreciate it as a tiny glimpse into their wild and predatory nature. right from the comfort of your home.